Ang masasabi ko lang, itong system na to is a reality. Wala pong fake dito. Lahat ito tulong-tulong. When you give today, tomorrow someone will give you. So Bitcoin is a digital currency, no? So sinabi pa, you can purchase anything with Bitcoin. Wala naman siguro mawala. Hindi ko makalimutan yan. Wala naman siguro mawala sa 200 mo. Okay? So parang nakapag-isip ako, then why not try? I started November 24. I provide 200 pesos because I'm trading a Bitcoin. Marami akong Bitcoin. Sabi ko, testing, wala namang mawawala. 200. When I studied the system is very nice. Inibitan ko si Bro Hernan. Sabi niya parang 01, 02 sa structure. Sabi niya parang hindi ako maniwala, baka ma-NBI tayo niyan. So, sabi ko, pag 200, hindi ka naman Europe puntahan ng NBI. Diba? 200 sa kanya yun, diba? So, nung nakita namin talaga, napakaganda. Kasi lahat ng tao nagtutulungan eh. Ang tawag dito, greed accelerator. Lahat ng tao may greed accelerator. Lahat ng tao gusto kumita. Pero wala silang way. Wala silang system. Palpa. Diba? So, nandito na itong MMM system. Buong community. Gagawa ka ng sariling community. Diba? We are working on trust and honesty. Kikita talaga kayo dito kahit di kayo magkamada. Basta share the MMM system. Follow the instruction. And the growth will grow. Okay, yun lang. Thank you. I'm James Po, Cagayan de Oro City. I'm one team manager of MMM Global Philippines, Cagayan de Oro City. I'm Elmer Laginisa, one team manager of MMM Philippines from Coronadal City, Nabuhay. I'm Michael Manalon, one of the managers from Iloilo.
My name is RGF Lim. I am from MMM Cagayan de Oro City, new manager.
Hello, my name is Sergio Limres. I am a new manager in MMM Philippines and I am from Cagayan de Oro City.
Long live MMM! Together we can change the world!